And if you get the right strain of algae, which is what these incredibly intelligent people are working on, the algae then consumes all of the CO2 in the air. It also, interestingly, starts to eat all of the volatile organic compounds in the air, and it reproduces. So you end up with a high value biomass, in this algal growth that you can harvest. So you've got super clean air coming out the other end. Typically outdoor external air, if it's clean, is about 400 parts per million CO2. The air that's coming out of this bioreactor is 0 parts per million CO2. I've never breathed 0 parts per million CO2 air in my life. I don't think anybody has, unless you're on the other end of the Green Genie in Jones Street in Sydney. But the really exciting thing about this is not only have we come across a technology that will enable us to create cleaner air, to generate a whole new biomass product, it's also a really high value biomass product. We're not going to use it for fertilizer or for anything else. We can, but we're going to use it to create biofuels. It's already been used to create an aviation grade biofuel. And often when people say to me, how do you feel about working on an airport? I don't have any problem with working on an airport because I don't think air travel is an unsolvable problem. In fact, it's already been solved. These guys have developed a aviation grade biofuel. It's been put into a passenger plane and the passenger plane has flown. The challenge and the problem is trying to break down existing incumbent energy companies and big oil companies to say you should really be paying to scale this amazing aviation biofuel. So for me, there's this unbelievable future that's within our grasp as the UK. We've got phenomenal science and engineering capabilities in this country to be able to say, well, let's really double down on the bioeconomy.